Okay, ato naman mga kaganakan naton hinumduman ha. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train. There to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house still is standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Balitaw. Ito naton mga kag-anak nga ginbayan ta probinsya. Nagihinulat man lat hirain tawon nga ulion hirat hira mga anak. Baa, nauli nga ni ako. Mahagkop na gudman nga bir nakaadto nat may ilarumit yelo. Biyahe pala kami to ha. For there's a garden, there's a sad old padre. Arm in arm we'll walk at daybreak again. I touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade at that old oak tree as they lay beneath the green, green grass of home. Panguli na kita after lockdown.